So guys, today we are going to work on request management. Okay. Request management. What is request management? Generally, is for the demo.
Seeking permission.
So guys, the request management is nothing but we need to like simply. I will tell you, it's like a Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, but for an internal company, only for the internal. For the internal company, it works like a Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, like how can we design? Like it's not only items. Okay, products and services. All things we can design in the request management so that users, whenever they require, users can order particular item, or maybe a service, it may be a request, it may be item. Okay, so that so they can we can handle the request management in that way. The request management process can be handled through service catalog. The request management process can be handled through service catalog. Okay, with the service catalog we can handle the process. Okay, now you can see. So let's start how to create the catalog. So generally, so there will be some hierarchy. Okay, generally there will be some hierarchy. We have to build that hierarchy in ServiceNow. Okay, you can see guys. Let's imagine some Amazon in the Amazon.in. So like if you want Amazon like Apple 13 Pro Max, what do you do?
Go to the search box, type the product, and
Yeah,
purchase.
you will directly search the product. Directly you can search the item, right?
Yes, sir.
So, but behind that item, like how Amazon will maintain the hierarchy. So there is a Apple product, right? So Apple is a main, Apple is a company. So under Apple, there may be different categories. There may be watch category, there may be mobile category, there may
Uh,
be iPod category, there may be laptop category, right?
yes, sir.
So different
Earbuds.
categories are there. So under watch, watches will be there. Items. Item is a different watch. Mobile, under mobile, we can see that Apple 13 Pro Max, Apple 14 Pro Max, Apple 14 Pro, Apple Mini, all things we can see under mobiles, right? So these are all categories. These are the main catalog. These are the categories of Apple. Under the categories, we can see different items, right? Maybe it may be 13 Pro, 14 Pro, 13 many items will be there. These are the items, right? Catalog, categories, and items. Isn't it? Guys, are you following?
Yes, sir.
So different items may be there. Now, the main thing, what is the main thing for every user generally? What is the main thing for a user?
Item.
Yeah, item is a thing everyone need, right? So like for item only, we are going to maintain a lot of configurations. All the configurations will be happen on the item only. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to create the item, how to create the catalog, how to create the categories, how can we create the items, and what are the configurations are there in the item. These are the things we are going to learn. Okay.
Sir, watch, mobile, iPod, laptop, it is all categories, is it, sir?
Yes. So just example I'm showing. I'm just
Okay.
talking about the example only. So in the company standpoint, they will maintain different catalogs, different categories, different items. Okay.
Sir, for understanding with Apple, you said it is a catalog.
Yeah, it is a, let me show you. So Apple is a catalog. Okay. And these are all different categories under
Catalog.
Apple. Okay. And these are all items. Okay.
Okay, sir.
items. So we need to know how to create the catalog, how to create the categories, how to create the items, how can we build that item with the different configurations. That is what we need to know. Understand?
Sir.
And after ordering the item, how that item will follow, what is the back end process item will follow, that is with the workflow. After ordering the item, what will happen? Like request will generate, how request will be generate, how requested item will generate, requested item and catalog task. So these are the things will generate after ordering the item, these things will generate. Okay, so just look at carefully. So we'll start from the beginning. Okay, we'll create the catalog, we'll create some categories, we'll create the item, we'll build some configuration. Okay, for the back end process, we'll design the workflow. Okay, in the workflow, how it will follow. So let's discuss. So in this time, we'll take some example. Okay, so what happened? Like you when you are opening the Amazon.in, you are going to, if you want to order Apple 13 Pro. Okay, what do you do? We will search the item. We will, so when we search the item, let's say, let's open now only Amazon.in. Okay, we need Apple 13 Pro. So this item I need. So like let's imagine this is my item. So what I do after picking this item, so what I'm going to see that I'm going to check all the information about this item item images I can see, and item details about this item. So 15.54 inches and all the details about the item I can see, right? Isn't it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Who will place all these things? Who will place all these things? This item details, pricing, all these things, who will place in the Amazon?
Backend team would be there.
Yeah, Amazon developers. Amazon application have their developers, right? They will keep in the Amazon, right? Isn't
Yes,
it,
sir.
guys? Okay, like in the service now also we have to design, we are the developers. Understand? This Amazon is selling this product, so they keep it. But different companies will give the different products, different to the employees. To the employees, they will provide different products and services. All the things we have to design in the service now. Understand? Are you following? Are you
Yes, sir.
following, guys? So
Yes, sir.
let's imagine, I'll show you. So I'll show you real time instance day after tomorrow. So 2 days I'll show you. Don't worry. So you can see, like when you are ordering this item. So we are going to buy now. If I buy this item, so after buying this item, what will happen? Generally, what will happen?
We'll go to the cart and I'll ask for the payment detail.
Okay.
Request would be generated first.
Hmm. So payment is done.
Yes, sir.
Item is ordered. After that, after
Delivery.
ordering the item,
It'll ask for the delivery details, sir. After
yeah,
the once
delivery details we will fill. Everything is done. We ordered. I'm saying. Okay. After
then
order completely, we bought it. What will happen? What you can see in Amazon, we can get
reviews it ask sir.
order number will generate, right?
Yes, sir. Correct. Order number.
So
Yes.
order number will generate. So generally, if you want to add to cart, multiple items you can add, and one time also you can pay for all item also you can pay one time, right? And after ordering anything, so generally we can see order number. Okay, that is in service now. That is request number. Okay, request is nothing but after ordering the item, we can see the request number. That is why we can call it as request management. Are you following, guys? I'm just comparing. This is not the exact thing. I'm just comparing the Amazon with this ServiceNow request management. Are you following? Do you have any confusion? I'm
No,
just
sir.
trying to make you understand. Like, So, but how this request will generate after that? So let's say it's an order number. In the order number, like in the order, one order, we can place multiple items, maybe a single item. So how can you track that item? Like after ordering, how can you like where it is? It order is shipped, delivered, on the way, like it's reached to Amazon center. So different things you can see, right? Are you following?
Yes.
Like that is called like where you can see that tracking ID will be there, right? Tracking ID. Tracking ID in Amazon.
Yes, sir.
Tracking ID is nothing but in service no requested item. This is a number. This is a number. This is a number. These numbers like with the based on the requested item only, we will know where our item is. In the Amazon, you can observe different stages: shipped, delivered, out for delivery. Okay, so in these different stages, you can see right and in the Amazon, the same stage you can observe in the requested item in service. Okay, na? And this is a task. So generally, what happened? Task is one number. So like task is like a with this task, like we can know that it is going to the task is going to assign to some department. Okay, that department people are going to deliver that item. So in the task, generally we can use it to assign the people for a delivery. Okay, in the Amazon, what happened? So like they will give it to some delivery partner, maybe Blue Dart, different delivery partners will be there for Amazon. The delivery partner will deliver the product, right?
Yes.
So in the same way, task is like that. So delivery people will be there in the task. Maybe in the same company, there will be a different teams. They are going to work on different tasks. So that we can see in the task catalog task. Is it clear? Just like whatever the process Amazon designed, but that is for a global everyone. But inside ServiceNow is for a one particular company. Inside company, whatever they are providing to the employees, maybe it's a product, it may be a service. That thing they will design in ServiceNow. Whenever their employees required, they can order it from the ServiceNow. Understand? If someone need a password reset, password need to change. That is a request. They need to request. We can go with service catalog. Okay. Are you following what I'm saying? Someone need to install the software. One software they need to install. They need to go to ServiceNow. So they need to check the software name and they have to install. Understand? You can see. So like let's go to portal. From the portal only they can users will order. So just slash sp because you can see number and slash sp, and here you can see the request something. If you want to request something, just click on request something. Here you can see guys. So like if there is a software, hardware, whatever the company is going to provide, you can see I'm clicking on software. You can see these are all softwares. If some software engineer need to install the software in their laptop, they need to open that particular item. These are items. Okay, they need to open that item, they can submit. Like there is some mandatory fields are there. They can submit. So that what happens whenever they submit particular item, it's going to generate the request number. Okay, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ajay,
Yeah.
Ajay,
Like yes.
in ServiceNow, we can also buy all the products. Is it a like website where we buy all the
Yeah.
things? It's like
No,
Flipkart.
we cannot buy all the things. So
Okay,
generally, if you are working in some, let's say you are working in Airtel company. Okay, you are an employee of Airtel. Okay,
okay,
your designation is a software engineer in the Airtel.
okay,
Okay, so what they will give generally, like if you are a software engineer in the Airtel company, you need a laptop, right?
yes,
The company is going to provide the laptop. So how can you order that for you from the company? For you from the company that is going to place in service now.
Okay.
Okay, that thing they can give. And let's say, and they are going to provide some Airtel product free for every employee. So what you can do? So you have to go from the service now. There you can order whatever the services, whatever the products they are providing to their company people, they can place in service now. Okay, na?
Okay.
Not for the global, not for everyone. Whatever they can provide, that things only they will place it. Not all items, not all global items. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
So let's say, like I'm working for one of the like company.
ఇన్ని ఆ ఫోన్ లో ఇయ్యి అన్నా.
So like they are giving shoes, one particular brand of shoes they are giving. They're the company also shoe company. Okay, let's say it's Adidas. Okay, I'm working for Adidas now. Okay, I'm a software engineer for Adidas. Okay, so what they're giving, they're offering shoes to their employees with a 50% off. Okay, but only for their employees, not for the global. Like they're keeping that particular item in service now. They're going to design that item in service now. Only for the employees only we can access that service now application. Others cannot access, right? Understand?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, like not only that. So whatever employee requires, all the things, if they want to install some software in their laptop, they don't go, they don't ask someone, they can search in service now. If they search in service now, they can find that, because that should be there. Whatever the things they are providing, they have to design that item in service now, so that they can simply order it whenever they require, whenever employees require. Got it? It's not for the selling the product to outside people. They are not selling the product, they are giving the products for the business use. For their business, they are giving the products and services to their employees. That things we can place in service now. If they want to do the business, they can go from Amazon, Flipkart, they can sell that products. Understand? Is it clear?
Yeah, Jay.
Yeah. Now you can see. So let's see. Let me show you something like. So the ServiceNow instance initially looks like this. They completely did the configurations everywhere and they made it like that. Even in the service catalog also, we have to do design that type of things. I will tell you all the techniques how to do that. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll start from the beginning. We'll start how to create the catalog, how to create the categories, how to create the items and the item configurations and the backend flow, how the backend flow will run, workflow we can create, everything we can create. Let's see. Just go to, if you want to create the catalog, type maintain catalog. Click on maintain catalogs. Okay, once you click on the maintain catalogs, here you can see out of the box they have service catalog, resource catalogs, technical catalogs. So we'll create the new catalog. Okay, we'll create some catalog named is like let's create some catalog. Let's make it finance catalogs. So generally, I'm just creating for identification. Let's say let it be finance catalogs. Okay. So it's very easy to create the catalog. Okay, like manager, all these things not required, just submit. Finance catalog. This is a catalog I have created. Okay. If you want to create the categories, so there is a two ways. Under the catalog, after opening the catalog, here you can see the categories. From here you can create, or if you want to create the categories, in the left navigation, type maintain categories. You can see the maintain categories. Click on maintain categories and you can create the categories. Click on new. So let's click what catalogs we can have in the finance way. Let's say insurance. Insurance is one category. Okay. So you can mention the catalog, under which catalog you're going to keep it, so that we can maintain the hierarchy. Finance catalog is a category. Just submit it. And let's create one more category. So insurance and what things, let's make it mutual funds. And give the catalog name is finance catalogs. And let's create one more category. Let's make it equity. Let's make it finance catalogs. Just submit it. So I'm creating, guys, to make you understand. Even we can create Apple, different categories under Apple. You can create the cat items. Okay. Just in the business standpoint, I'm creating. So that if it is a finance related company, they will create this type of catalogs for their internal business purpose. Okay, let's see how our catalog, finance catalog, just try to reload it. If you reload the finance catalog, you can see three categories are there: equity, insurance, mutual funds. Can you see this? These are automatically came to here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a catalog. Under this catalog, we can see three categories. If you want to create the item, you can create from here also catalog item, or just go to the left navigation, type maintain items, maintain catalogs, maintain categories, maintain items. Click on maintain items. Click on maintain items, and here you can click on new. So tell me, this is a difficult to pick the finance related catalog item. What item we can build? Let's say life insurance. Let's say life insurance. I'm just giving one catalog item name, that is life insurance. I'm taking. Okay. And give the catalog. What is a catalog? We have to give finance catalog. What is a category? We need to give. That should be insurance. Are you following how I am creating the hierarchy? This is item, this is a catalog, this is a category. So generally, under Apple, we have different categories. And if you want a phone, we have to go from the mobile category, right? So this way I'm designing one item. Okay. If you come down here, you can see the item details. So we have to give the item details. So let's say if it is a life insurance, let's see the short description of the life insurance. And so you have to give the description. Let's add some description. Salaried, something like I'm just adding something, salaried employees. And so total amount 1 CR, something I'm just giving. We have to give the, let's copy this and paste it here. Instead we are trying. Okay, I'm just added some text. Okay, let's say this is the item under this catalog, under this category, and the item having some short description. This is a description of an item. Okay, I simply add in the catalog item. Okay, let's say how it is going to display in the portal. Okay, and even if you have some pictures also we can add. You can download the pictures, and generally everything, all the item details, pictures, everything client going to provide. You are not going to do anything your own way. client will view the proper sheet. According to his sheet only, you have to configure the items. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Now you can see
Yeah, Jay. Yeah,
pricing also you can add. Like generally, if there is any pricing, let's say if it is a $20, okay, you can add the different pricing for an item. And portal setting, we will discuss everything about the portal settings. As of now, just keep it short description, and meta also there. So meta is nothing but a shortcuts. We can search the item with the shortcuts. Let's say I'm just giving some names, live. Let's say LIC. I'm giving some LIC also. I'm adding. Let's add some shortcuts. Fin, life. Let's say we can add anyone. Like if I add Shiva also, it will come. If you search with Shiva, this item will come in the portal. So this is a meta. Client will give the shortcut names to search the item, okay, in the portal. So let's create the item. Just save it. Okay, I've created an item that is life insurance with this catalog category and the short description, and it's a meta. Okay, let's see whether we can see this item in the portal or not, right? So after creation of an item in the platform, it should reflect in the portal, right? Isn't it, guys? Let's search. Life insurance is our item. I'm going to search with this item in the portal. Is it coming in the portal now? Is it coming in the portal? Is it coming, guys? If I'm searching here,
No, sir.
it won't come. It will not come. When it will come? So in the platform, just go to the platform. Here we have search with the portals. Okay, just click on portals, and you can see many portals are there in ServiceNow. And just pick the right one. That is a service portal that we are looking into it. Open the service portal. Okay, if you come down, here you can see the catalogs. What is a catalog? It is showing here. Only service catalog is there. But our catalog is, what is our catalog? Finance catalog. So that you need to add it. Just click on edit. Just click on edit. And here you can see the finance catalog. Just move it right side and save it. Okay, after saving, now you can see, just reload it and type the life insurance, enter. Can you see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can see this is a short description. This is a description of an item. If anyone needs, they can open and they can order. Okay, they can check out like this. Now they can use it. Is it clear till now? Till now, is it clear? Request is generated.
yeah, yeah, Jay. You have opened it in other services, right? In that you have
Sorry?
entered this life insurance. Like you went to the service portal, right?
Yeah.
This is yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Like this
Yeah.
portal also will be configured in the platform only. Okay. So in the platform, we can see many portals. Like here you can see this. So this is a portal /sp. We are using suffix sp, right?
Okay.
So we have to add our catalog to this portal. So that what I did, I've opened this portal. So in this portal, if I come down here, you can see the catalogs. Catalogs place is there. So previously we have only service catalog. That means under service catalog, whatever the items are there, only that items are going to display in the portal. So we don't have this item got added. So that what I did, I just clicked on the edit and I just selected the finance catalog and move it to right side so that you can, so under this catalog, From now, whatever the items we are going to create, that are going to display in the portal. Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, Ajay. Good. I'm good.
So let's see. So let's add some more things. So we have created a catalog, category, item, and item is displaying the portal. Now, so there is a lot of configuration, and even we have created some meta, right? We'll test the meta. So if I searching with Shiva, can you see our life insurance? Meta works like this. Even if you reload, you can see this item. If I'm opening the life insurance item, so here what we did, we have given meta, life, LIC, Fin Life, Shiva. These different names we have given. So meta is nothing but shortcut names. If I am searching with life, what is coming? Life insurance is coming, right? If I am searching with LIC, let's go to home. Life insurance is coming. Understand? If I am searching with Fin Life, life insurance is coming. If I am searching with Shiva, well, this is nothing but a shortcuts to search the item. Generally, in the Amazon, if you search 13 Pro Max, whatever, if you search with shortcuts, also it will come, right?
Yeah, got it, Ajay.
This is what meta is.
Okay, what we have saved that catalog to these shortcut names. So
Yeah,
whoever searches with such shortcuts, that life
yeah.
insurance or
If
whatever
that
product
matches,
is.
automatically that item will
Yeah,
display. Like
got
we,
it.
we don't know, right? People don't know exact names sometimes.
Yes,
Like
yes.
they don't know how to search the name. If they know some shortcut, they'll try to search with some shortcuts. In that case, also it will, that item will be visible to the users whenever it will come, so they can understand, this item we are going to search, right? Okay, is it clear?
Yes, Ajay.
Yes.
And so here we can see different things, even like the process engine will discuss, and pictures, you can add any picture that will display, and pricing we know. Portal setting, let's see the portal settings. Okay, if you see the portal settings, here we have different options like order, request, submit. You can see in our item life insurance, here you can see different in the portal, you can see different things: add to cart, order now, quantity, price, delivery time, all these things are showing, right? So there is a some options for a portal settings. Order is, if you select order, it is showing like order now. If you select request and save it, let's reload portal, you can see the request will come, the name will show like a request. That if you select submit, save it and reload the portal, you can see the submit, right? Are you following? So like this. So again, order. And if you want to hide all these things, many things, quantity, price, delivery time, add to cart. So we have different check boxes: hide, add to cart, hide quantity, hide delivery time. So wish list. So wish list, you can try to find where this wish list is coming from. Okay, and even if you want to hide these attachments, so we have an option to hide attachments. Just save it. Just reload it. Here you can see all things got hide. Okay, And like even this wish list you can try to find. Okay, just guys, what is this hide to wish list? Where it will work? What is a wish list? Try to find this one. You'll see that even attachments got hide. You can see there is no attachments. And even if you want to make attachments mandatory, there should be an attachments for an item. In this case, just reload. Here you can see it's become mandatory. If you try to order, you cannot order because attachments are mandatory. Like this, we can do that. Understand? So these are the portal settings available for the item. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, so generally, like the forms, so in the form we have fields. Okay, in the form we have fields, but in the catalog items we have variables. Variables are nothing but a fields. Okay, variables are nothing but a fields, but here we can see the different name, different types. Okay, just see. So let's see, I'm trying to create, I'm in the life insurance item. Okay, in this item, we have just mentioned short description. And if you want to add the different variables, so we have to go to the variables and just click on new. Let's create a variable. And see, you can see type, different types are there. Single line text, multi-line text, reference, like we have field types are there, right? Like we have a field types, here we have a variable types. Okay, in the catalog item. Let's make it 100. Let's say name of the employee. You can see the backend name will come automatically. Backend name will come automatically. Let's submit. So in the life insurance, I have created one variable with the single line text type. Let's see how it is going to impact the portal. Can you see now? Variable. Are you following?
Yeah, Jay.
Yeah. So like this variable, let's see different types of variables available. Let's make it order 100. And here we have a mandatory read only hidden, like the dictionary, we have the same things. And if you select reference, let's give, I'm giving some location of the user. So if it is a reference, we should give the reference table name. In the type specification, just take the table name. I'm just giving the location table name. Just reload. You can see these are the locations we can see. This is a reference. Reference field looks like this reference variable. And let's add few more. Let's take email. We have email type also there. This is email, and let's click on new. And you can try different, like let's say select box. Select box looks like a choice. Okay, let's say I'm adding some department type is select box. I'm giving the question as department. Here you can see. So let's save it. I'm saving this time because it's a select box. We have to add the choices. This select box is nothing but a choice type in the field. Okay. So like if it is a department, let's come down. We have to add a choices. So let's give like if it is IT value. Let's say HR. Okay. For the select box type variable, I have given department as a question. Okay. In this, I have given two options, two choices, that is IT HR. Let's see how it is going to visible in the portal. Okay, just reload, try to reload this. Can you see now? IT, HR, choices. These are the two choices. This is the email type looks like this. We have to give the email ID. And this is a reference. You can see all the data which is in the reference table. Is it clear, guys? Are you following how I am designing?
Yeah, Jay.
Yeah. So if you want to split the form, generally in any form, if you want to split, what you can do?
So right click configure form layout, and in that we need to
We can do the split, right? But in the variable, if you want to see the half of the variable left side, half of the variable right side, so we have an option called, you can see if you click on new, we have container. We have containers. Let's say here you can see container start, container split, container end. Like we have begin split, split,
end split.
split.
Yeah.
We have container start, container split, container end. Okay,
Mhm.
you can see. I'm giving some container start. So let's container start. Let's order is very important. Where it should come. Let's say I'm giving some start as a question. Submit. I'm giving order 50 now. 50 means in the beginning it will come. Okay, I keep it in the like container start will come 50. Okay, let's see first two variable left side and next two variable right side. So first two variables order is 200. Let's make it 250. Container split as a 250. Submit. And like after this 400, we have to maintain container end. So order is very important. Based on the order only, the things will reflect. Okay, now you can see, let's go to the portal after adding the split, try to reload. Can you see now? Two variables coming left side, two variables coming right side. Split. After applying the container start, container split, container end, it will visible like that. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way we can apply the containers and we can have some more types. So we have different types of variable. Just try to create different types, and we have multiple choices also there. Multiple choice variable. Let's add 500. So let's add multiple choices like what we can do. Block. Let's add block number. The multiple choice. Just say it. Multiple choices also need choices. I'm just adding some block number. Let's add one is a black block. Simply, I'm just creating for our understanding. Like I want to show you how this type looks like in the portal. Let's update and we'll see. Just go to the portal. You can see this is a multiple choice, looks like this multiple choice type. Okay, this is a single line text, it's an email type, this is a select box, this is a reference. Okay, different types I'm creating. I just want to show you like how the types looks like in the portal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and even in the platform also, guys, if you open the item here, we have an option called try it. If you click on try it, here also you can see that in the platform also you can see this is a short description. These are the different types of variables, and these are all types of variables. Is it clear? Just try to create, check different types. Not all types are not required. Just try to create different types. Check how it looks like. There is a different label type is there, and multi-line text, single line text, yes or no question. I mean, checkbox will come. Okay, and checkbox also there. This yes or no will, two choices will come, yes or no. Checkbox is like checkbox. It looks like this checkbox. Okay, break will be there. One line will come if you apply the break, and date and time you already know that. So the same how the field looks like, the date and time will be there. Date and time. Try to create all these things in your instance for a practice purpose. Okay. Okay, now tomorrow
Yeah,
we'll see that variable sets we can see, and I will explain you the project how to design. Tomorrow I will share that. Today, as of today, you can just try to create a catalog, categories, items, and in the item just try to create a variables, observe all the things whatever I have explained. Okay, tomorrow we'll see this variable sets and available for, not available for, and the workflow if time permits. We'll see the workflow also, so that we can work more on the project. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
yeah, Jay.
Just try to do that tomorrow. By tomorrow, we can work. That's it from my side, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know. Okay, if not, we'll meet tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay.